gang, it's Mia here, and I'm all by myself because y'all can guess it, we're doing a prank on Eli. You guys have to excuse the way I'm talking. I got my what's it called, my wisdom teeth pulled out this morning, so this whole like part of my face is super swollen and it hurts really bad. So but yeah, that's the whole point of this prank. I've had this fake blood for months now and have never been able to use it, and I felt like today was the perfect day. So what I've been doing all day is I take this white towel and I wrap my ice pack in it and then just put it on my mouth. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this white towel and drench this all in it, and then put the ice pack in this one, wrap the white towel around this, put it like this, have blood all over it, lay down, and then I'm going to like scream his name and like grunt and stuff. He's gonna come in the room, see blood everywhere, and hopefully he freaks out. So I'll set this up really quick. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other pranks or videos you guys want to see for us, and we'll see you in the next video. Me put it on the cloth or whatever. Here, I'll hold it up right here so you guys can see it again. Alright, now I'm going to put like a little bit like going down my face. I just did my fucking makeup. I just heard the door open, so he probably put the walk in here, so I gotta hurry up. I put the TV on. I'm about to put a little bit more. Oh! Ice pack. Gosh,
What he said? I know. She said, "What shape you want if not coffin?" I said, "The right coffin." So when she trained me on fire,
Bro, what happened? What happened? Mom!
What's wrong?
I don't know.
What's wrong, honey?
Like her mouth is bleeding a lot.
Oh shit!
It's a prank. It was supposed to be for Eli.
Well, you got me.
I in here.
I should have known when I seen the makeup on her face.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, oh shit.
Bro,
What happened?
What's wrong, honey? I was close to calling 911.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
don't worry
And
about it.
then,
I'm coming back.
not better than me.
We can't even
Look,
understand her.
I got like red stains and shit.
We can't even understand her.
I know my mouth hurts.
Yep, lame. Don't worry about it. We'll be back.
Spam up Team Me in the comment section down below. We'll get some more popping for y'all.
Yeah, even though there's a prank on me, it's still Team Eli. That's how you know she sucks.
Not at all.
We ain't worry about it. We coming back. Don't worry about it. I don't lose.
See you guys later.
Peace.